Okay, good morning. My name is Yaniv Kitron. I'm a co-founder and CEO of EdenShield Crop Protection Technology. Let's see if this moves. And EdenShield is introducing a novel solution for crop protection called odor masking with a natural, non-toxic, field-proven product that avoids insect infestation of crops. And these are some of the main insects in agriculture today, and we're familiar with insects that sometimes appear in our homes. And when that happens, we take a pesticide and we eliminate the problem. And we would expect that that is what farmers do when insects infest their crops. So it might be surprising to find out that these insects manage to cause billions of dollars of damages to a wide range of major crops with so many pesticides available in the market. Well, the reason is that these insects have sophisticated survival mechanisms and techniques, and they manage to quickly develop resistance to toxic chemicals, which makes pesticides less efficient. Also, with so many insects in the environment, greenhouses are being used to try to provide a protected environment for crops. However, due to the small size of these insects, they manage to penetrate through the insect screens and attack the crops. So innovative solutions need to be introduced to achieve efficient crop protection. Well, in EdenShield, we search for innovations in plants. And you may be wondering how this desert scenery, which doesn't appear so well here in the graphics, relates to plants, but plants in general cope with insect attacks as part of their natural existence, and they do so by using special compounds and survival techniques that we try to tap for our needs. Desert plants specifically, usually because of their stressful growth environment, have more potent and concentrated active ingredients. And in my years of research of botanical compounds, I discovered that some Israeli desert plants contain compounds that naturally deter some of the main insects in agriculture, and that initiated the development of the EdenShield technology. We developed a plant extract that contains compounds that produce a dominant odor signal to insects that masks or conceals the plant odor, so the insects do not come to the plants. So we do not use toxic chemicals, and we do not attempt to eliminate the insects. Simply when the insects do not recognize the plant odor, they're just not attracted to the crop. And this has very important advantages. The first is that insects do not develop resistance to odor masking. And additionally, since our product does not operate as a pesticide, we do not have to go through the long and costly pesticide registration procedures, which means we can reach the market at a much shorter time and lower cost. I noticed it stopped raining for the previous with irrigation. Our first market segment is the greenhouse market, and when the farmer sprays our plant extract on the screens of the greenhouse surrounding the crop, the dominant odor masks the crop odor, and the insects are less attracted to the greenhouse. We've conducted dozens of field trials and experiments, and the product repeatedly had a high efficiency of lowering insect penetration through treated nets of up to 90%. The global crop protection market for insects is around $13 billion, and our product has already been shown effective against insects that are 50% of this market. In continuation to the successful field trials we've conducted, we're now planning pre-sale demonstrations with growers, partnering with leading distributors in Europe, Africa, and Israel. And we've patented our technology, we've identified the key active ingredients, and we're now producing our first commercial batch, planning to initiate sales this year. In addition to a line of products for both the greenhouse and open field market, we're also in discussions with major agrochemical companies to partner in developing new products using the odor masking properties of our active ingredients. We're raising $750,000 with which we plan to expand field trials and pre-sale demonstrations, scale up production and sales, and continue R&D. Thank you very much.